As I was editing the last video, I came across something that was new. I don't know. It might have been there for a while and I just never seen it. So I'm just going around trying to spice up my video a little bit. So I'm going to push the animate button. And when I do and scroll down, I start seeing these like new blue things over here. And I'm like, what are these and what do they do? So let's look and see what they can do. So what I'm going to do now is I've already done this video here. So let's go and add a new page on the end of this video so we can do it some play with these new animations. So let's get an element to play with. Let's see what we got over here that is kind of, let's do the lips. So we got these juicy looking little lips right here. And now we want to go into the animate thing. So let's look. So it says add motion effects. So there's 4 new effects for this new thing. Oh, rotate. Do they go all the way around? Maybe. Oh, nope, not all the way around, but pretty far. Pretty cool. Let's do the flicker. All right, that's almost like it would be nice. Let's tap on them. All right. So if you have Pro, you can speed it up. You can also rotate it the other way, whatever way you want to for the rotate. I don't have Pro, so I can't tell you how fast, slow, or whatever. I just got what I can have. So let's try flicker and see what they have. You can do with the flicker, you can do speed. So I guess I can blah, blah, blah very fast. It'd be nice if you could take the flicker all the way down almost dark and just have it kind of flickering like your eyes opening and closing. That would be cool, but I guess you can't do that on this one. Let's check out Pulse. Pulse. Oh, look, guys. 1, 2, 3. I got all 3 going at the same time. Wow, you can do all 3 at the same time. All right, never mind. Hold on. Let's take. Oh, okay. Remove animation. Okay, remove animation. Remove animation. Remove animation. All right, so let's look at flicker by itself now. I didn't know all 3 was doing it at the same time. Wow, you can do all 3 together. That is awesome. I wonder if you can do that up here. Never noticed you could do 3 of them up here, but you can do 3 down here. All 4 of them, I guess. Ooh, guys. All right, so the flicker is still pretty cool. So let's take the flicker off now that we know that is what you can do. The pulse, pretty cool. I guess your intensity of how harsh the pulse is. Oh, I wish there was a kind of one that you could an option for a heartbeat there. That would be awesome. Let's remove that animation and let's see what the wiggle is. Just wiggle it. Let me stop with the songs. No copyright. No copyright. All right. So let's put them all 4 together. Let's see what happens. All right. Can we hit the play button and see what happens? Oop. Oh, my music from my last video is still on there. Well, that is just some cool stuff. All right, I like that. Can we actually add let's stomp it in. Oh, we can stomp it in too with that in there. Ooh, all right. I want to try something because if you can have more than one of these, I didn't know this. Can you have more than one of these? Ooh. All right, let's go out. Oh, come on. Let's go back to. No. You can have all 4 of these, but you can only have one of these. Okay, so we just learned something today. This is pretty awesome. So, cool, people. Yay. So, play around with it. Make cool things with it. I know I will. And thank you for stopping by. I am Michelle. Please visit me often. I love you guys. To the new ones, hello. And to my regulars, I love you. And even if you're not a regular, I still love you. And until next time, bye.